Have you been suffering from tennis elbow for the past couple of weeks or months or even years, and you still haven't found a solution for your problem? Tennis elbow is a common condition that involves pain and soreness on the lateral part of the arm around the elbow joint. It is usually caused by repetitive motion over time, which leads to small tears in the tendon, chronic pain and irritation. The condition is common among those who play racket sports and is most precipitated by the backhand stroke. Luckily for those individuals who are suffering with tennis elbow, there is a new resource called Tennis Elbow Secrets Revealed. What it is Tennis Elbow Revealed? Tennis Elbow Secrets Revealed is a program that will teach you the few simple things that you need to do in order to get rid of tennis elbow. Aside from that, you also do not need to invest a lot of your time and resources just to get your arms in good working condition again. The program was designed by Jeff Hunt, who is a certified personal fitness trainer, an exercise rehab specialist, and is also a tennis elbow survivor. Jeff had suffered for years with tennis elbow and had tried almost every possible treatment that doctors had recommended for this condition. With a lot of research on the cause of the problem and the integration of 15 years knowledge in specialized fitness training alongside 7 years of suffering from the condition, he came up with a Tennis Elbow Secret Revealed program. As previously stated, the program is just a collection of step-to-step explanation on the mode through which we can remedy the situation. So, if you are tired of using the medications to treat your tennis elbow pain in the fastest way possible, it offers practical advice that can be implemented and used to heal this condition once and for all. Therefore, if you want to get rid of this condition, then this is the program that you will need to start using right away. You can cure your tennis elbow pain fast and safely by visit their sites at the link below this video.
Maybach.